Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's exciting because we're going to be having a little bit more fun with the Skyline later on in the video. Got something cool planned. But right now we are working on Daiki's car, and my favorite fuel part company, whatever you call it, Radium, sent us some goodies for Daiki's car. And just to give you context, so this here is a surge tank with a pump built into there. We put a Dishworks pump in here, and then this is going to be the lift pump, the pickup pump here. This is a Dishworks pump as well, just a Dishworks 300. And all of this probably weighs like maybe, I don't know, I want to say like 5 kilograms. Probably less. And just think, this goes inside the tank. All these proper rails here too, so nothing's gonna melt or anything. Proper fittings, swivel fittings too, by the way. These things are so hot. Anyways, this sits inside the tank. This is the surge tank, so that when the car's sloshing side to side, not gonna be any fuel starvation issues. And this is down in the tank too, like that, pumping into this. Oh, and by the way, how good is this? How good is this? Just watch this. Just watch this. This is how good Radium is. Done. And wiring, you say? Okay, this may actually require 2 hands. Done. That's it, she's hooked up. And then this slots in inside the tank, and this sits in there, and it pushes everything to the front, there's no sloshing. But all of this weighs like 4 kilograms, right? Let me show you what Daiki had before. This was everything he had in the trunk on the floor pan. Surge tank, 2 old Bosch pumps, 2 Bosch filters, a bunch of lines, a pickup pump inside the tank, which by the way, the hose was missing a hose clamp here. I mean, it's tight on there, it probably wouldn't have gone anywhere, but still, probably should have a hose clamp on there. And then it was then just this, right? So we all know that the stock fuel hats on these, the plugs melt out all the time if you put any decent pump in them. So you gotta be really careful with those fuel hats, which is why we always just change the Radium ones. And the fact that it's all of this same pumping power that you see on the ground, like all of this that weighs like 10, 12 kilos is now in that small package that's going inside the tank. What that means as well is, let's say Daiki gets a little excited at Mayhan and decides to ride the wall and destroy the whole rear end. None of this is in the trunk on the floor pan, about to spray fuel everywhere and catch on fire. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're replacing everything Radium. So let's get inside the car, put that all inside the tank, and we'll be done. After fighting for just a little bit, we got this cap on without cross-threading it. And if you guys know, you know it's a battle. But yeah, she's good on there and proper. I still need to tighten it a little bit with a special tool. And when I say special tool, a big screwdriver and a hammer, because I need to order that special tool actually from Nissan Parts. It's like a unique tool. But anyways, with that, it's time for some fun. Look at the weather today. It is beautiful. Blue skies, sun's out, and most importantly, the road's dry. And I promised you guys something. I made a promise in the last video that we were going to let Chichan experience the Skyline in the dry. And I thought we could do that, but we could do something better because we have 4 seats in this car, don't we, May?
We have 4 seats.
We have 4 seats, and it's pretty hot today.
Yes.
So I think we could, 1, go for a nice ride in the Skyline, and 2, all cool down a little bit. So what we have here are full to the brim Gamer Supps shaker bottles. And everyone's gonna hold one, they're all gonna be open, and we're gonna do some pulls. It's gonna be a good time. Also, Gamer Supps is a huge supporter of the channel. Head to their website, gamersupps.gg. Everything store-wide, 10% off with coupon code SAMMIT in checkout. And if you wanna know why I drink Gamer Supps, there's a link to a secret video down in the description where I go into detail. But for now, let's go have some fun and get these guys wet. All right, everyone got their seatbelt on? We're all good?
Yep.
All right, this feels like a school excursion, but better. We're not taking the lids off though until we're on the highway. Like, you gotta unscrew the lids entirely, guys. It's gonna be great.
Who made the rules?
Who made the rules? No one. Gamer Supps made the rules.
Wait, I'm like terrified.
Oh, because it's dry. Yeah.
Wait, I am so terrified right now.
Because it's dry, that's right. You never got to experience this in the dry.
Sorry if I destroy your eardrums.
No, it's fine. I put NOS on this before, like last night too. You know, nitrous, you know, like in Fast and Furious, you push a button, the car goes boom. We did that. Yeah, we did that.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh no.
No, we didn't.
Okay.
that is a real thing. Yeah, yeah. NOS is real.
Right. But you didn't put it on.
No, we didn't put it on. Yeah, yesterday we had water on the outside of the car. Today we're having it on the inside. Oh gosh. Poor Skyline. Have the ETC card, right? Yeah. Okay, what?
I'm opening the door.
It was on the sidewalk. There's nowhere near the street.
It's just...
Chi-chan doesn't even have a license and she's already backseat driving. Yeah. No, you gotta unscrew it. Daiki, you gotta unscrew the whole thing, bro.
Here, people are trying to cheat.
Okay, alright. Alright, we ready? Are we ready, guys? Alright, I'm gonna go as slow and as nice as possible, alright? Alright, are we all good?
Already it's spilling.
Well, you can drink it to make it.
You guys are gonna be fine, alright? I'm a real smooth operator.
Alright.
Real smooth.
Yeah, right.
Chi-chan's just freaking out.
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Look, Daiki's a pro! Daiki's a pro!
No, I think the rear has the most stable.
Probably.
She's getting older.
Is it just me?
Yeah! Zenchigo the show.
Yeah, but I'm
It's
shaking.
completely different, right?
Shaking.
I'm shaking.
Petrified her.
I'm gonna die today.
The best thing too is because we've got two people in the back, it's got a bit of extra grip from the weight.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah.
It digs real hard.
It's great.
No wheel spin. So it's just all this burn, it digs, it just goes. It
So-
squats. Yeah.
That's why the front shakes the most
Yeah, I guess.
when you let go of it.
There's so much water on my center console. I love it. Nay?
Like he's using gravity to keeping the water inside. He's using gravity.
So good. Daiki is amazing. Daiki gets a bonus or something. That is impressive. Daiki's the kid from Initial D. Oh my gosh. I'm drenched. I think everyone's drenched.
Should we stop by Kohoku?
Can I borrow this for a sec? Thank you. Good tap water.
What happens when we go on a slow, bumpy road?
On a slow, bumpy road, get wrecked. I mean, like if I really wanted to.
Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate.
I got destroyed. I got destroyed. I just got destroyed. That backfired so hard.
Oh
gosh. This is actually a lot of fun. I am so drenched. I think my pocket's got some water. It does. There's some water in my pocket. You okay, Chi-chan? You're being very quiet. Oh my god.
It's just I need to catch my breath.
She needs to catch her breath.
You tapped out? I think she's tapped out. So, do you still like G's? Did you?
I want to hear the gate though.
No, the gate's good, yeah. We'll just do some like, you know, less aggressive ones.
Okay, so we can put the lid back on?
Yeah, you guys can cap it. So yeah, guys, go to gamersubs.gg. Use coupon code SAMMIT and check out.
Do you still have that wish.com blow dryer thing?
Oh yeah, she said that she wants to use that for as a dryer.
Yeah. I might need new panties.
Oh,
okay. We got the Skyline back in the shop. I've set up a fan because everything's a little drenched. Chi-chan's trying to dry herself off with the air compressor. Stop it. What are we doing now, Daiki? Back onto the fuel system?
Yeah.
We also took out all of the old fuel lines and we're going to be replacing them. So previously he had 3 lines running all the way to the front, 2 feeds and 1 return. But we're going to just run 1 big -8 line to the front and 1 -6 return. And that should send us everything that we need for this car, which will be perfect. So we'll get onto that. What's wrong, Daiki? There's your fan service, Daiki fans. We didn't film a whole bunch of us installing the lines because you've seen that before, but let's jump to the chase. We're done. Everything's installed, all the fuel lines are ready, everything's ready pump-wise in the back. We are good to go for when this engine drops in. And Daiki is stoked, man. He's so excited. This is literally the best fuel line setup / combo that you can get for your S or R chassis. I use this in my R33.4 Skyline, my S15 there. It's just the best kit, and it literally just looks incredible. You saw on the B-roll on the few shots we got, but just look at how the lines all bolt into the factory location and all get tucked away, and it all just comes into this. Now there's a few different ways that you can obviously run things. We're going to be running a Dishworks fuel regulator on Daiki's car. We've got the Radium fuel filter here, which then comes to one of their nice swivel guys here, and this is then going to be feeding the fuel rail. A -8 is feeding the fuel rail, and the return will be a -6 to the regulator and then back to the tank. So perfect, everything that he needs for the power that he's going to be making. Quick slide under the car. You can see how we ran all the lines. Their line fitting kit, like I said, it's just incredible. I don't really need to say anything because you can just look at it and tell that this is awesome. But yeah, it's great. And everything's all tucked up and nice. Goes all the way to the tank to the rear hat, which you saw us put in before. And then everything just zips up there, right to the filter and the regulator. You must be hyped, dude.
Yeah, that's amazing rhymes.
I'm back home now, and it's actually been a few days since we filmed everything that you just saw. The last few days I've been recovering from a cold, and then also I went fishing, I went trout fishing and took some me time off, which was actually a really good time to just stream on Twitch, which was fantastic. So for those of you that saw that, thank you. And it was a really good time. We caught a bunch of trout, and it was just a really good time. And then my parents got to Japan today, and I really got to spend some quality time with my dad. Those of you know, he had a stroke a few years ago, and it's completely changed him. So it was very special that I got to push him around in his wheelchair today and just spend some time with him, and they got to meet Hugo for the first time as well.
And it was just a really good field day moment. And they're here for the next week or so, so I'm going to be spending as much time with them as I can. But this weekend, Daiki's backup engine will arrive at the shop, and then early next week, we will be starting to put that in and get that all done. He's got a competition next weekend, I think, which is crazy. So there's a bunch of stuff that we need to get done. And then I'm going to be getting stuck into the abandoned S15 as well as my street S15. So it's going to be just a bunch of S15 content and a bunch of stuff that you guys have been asking for forever, on top of maybe some family vlogs or something. I don't know, but I am just really, really happy right now, and I'm in a really good place, just mentally as well as just physically, and it feels good. So thank you so much for always watching the channel, guys, and I hope you're enjoying these kind of fun videos where we're getting everyone involved. And I think Chi-chan's caught the bug, because she wants to jump in a drift car now, and she's thinking about getting a license and stuff. Who knows? I don't know what's going to happen, but it's going to be good. Also, should I start playing my guitar and serenading you guys on Twitch streams as well? I don't know. I've been getting back into my old music stuff, which has been fun. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like button, rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one, whenever that'll be. I don't know. Bye.
Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate.
Do you still have that Wish.com blow dryer thing?
Oh yeah, she said that she wants to use that for as a dryer.
Yeah. I might need new panties.
Oh.
Oh, okay.